All right, Ronnie, what are we doing today?
We're doing a fuel pump on this 1996 or 97 International school bus. The mechanical fuel pump on this 7.3, they're basically the same, anywhere from 91 to 99, I think, on the Ford 7.3s as well. But we're doing the mechanical fuel pump that's way down in here. And the fuel pump is out. It came in for no crank, no start. How we came up with that is there is this trigger valve right here under my middle finger. If you press it, that's supposed to relieve some fuel pressure, but we have none, which means this fuel pump is not pumping fuel into this fuel filter right here. So we have to take out this tube, this tube, this tube, and this Y piece that's connected right here. And we'll be able to snake that pump out after getting the lines off of it and replace it with this new fuel pump that's right here.
Why is it important to a diesel to have a working mechanical fuel pump?
Well, it's not just diesels that it's important, it is also gasoline vehicles. Because if your fuel pump's not working, you're not getting fuel up into here and your vehicle's not going to start.
Perfect, thank you.